Now it's time to wrap the magic laughter lamp for the joke of the day to appear. It's entitled, Waht Power Switch?
A customer called tech support to say her brand new computer wasn't working.
Hi, I've unpacked the unit, plugged it in, and I've sat here for 20 minutes and nothing has happened.
Hi, I'll be happy to help you with this. Can you tell me what happened when you turned on the power switch?
What power switch?
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/NWN.